Welcome our viewers at home. My name is Nafiu Adewale from Nigerian Institute of Soil Science in Abuja. Today, we are going to be looking at the soil information from Katchia area in Niger State. The farmers in this area predominantly grow rice, and there are some major nutrients and minor nutrients that are essential for these rice crops to grow very well. Having said this, let us look at the soil test report from Katchia area in Niger State. The information we have shows that the soil pH stands at 6.3, which is close to neutral, and definitely it is adequate for the optimum growth of the rice and also for bumper harvest. The available P stands at 10 to 30 ppm. This indicates that the soil is lacking the phosphorus available P. Exchangeable potassium is also one of the major nutrients that we are talking about. Stand at 98 ppm, which indicates that it is very, very low. Therefore, it's lacking in that soil. Magnesium, which is one of the secondary elements that are also regarded as the major nutrient, is also lacking by the indication of 70 ppm, which is very, very low. Having looking at all these micronutrients, we can see that available P, the exchangeable potassium, and then magnesiums are really deficient in this soil. Now let's look at the micronutrients. So also is the total nitrogen, which stands at 0.04%. Nitrogen is one of the major elements that is needed for rice growth, and it stands at 0.4, showing that it is extremely very low. Therefore, all these macronutrients that have been observed that are deficient needs to be addressed for us to have a bumper harvest in that area. There's no way our farmers can achieve yield in this Katchia area without addressing all these problems that has been identified. So, what are the best fertilizer recommendations that can be given to our farmers in this area for them to have a harvest? The fertilizer recommendation is going to be in split application. Firstly, at planting, our farmers need to apply NPK at the rate of 270 kg per hectare, which is equivalent to 5.4 bags at planting. This then will be top dressed by the muriate of potash, which is a source of exchangeable potassium that I mentioned that is lacking in the soil, at the rate of 50 kg per hectare, equivalent of 1 bag for our farmers to use, and this should be applied at 6 weeks after planting. Then we also top dress with urea. Urea is known to be the source of nitrogen, and rice is the kind of crop that loves nitrogen. So we need to apply it at 100 kg per hectare, which is an equivalent of 2 bags for our farmers, and should be applied at 4 weeks after planting. And lastly, urea again at rate of 110 kg per hectare, which is equivalent of 2.2 bags for our farmers to apply at 8 weeks after planting. If our farmers are able to do this, our farmers can be able to get bumper harvest. Not only bumper harvest, but at the end of the day, they will also smile to the bank.